This video will show you how to install the 326060W commercial open front seat with self-sustaining hinges. The best tool to use to attach this seat is a socket wrench, but if you don't have a socket wrench, you can use a very small crescent wrench. To start your installation, place the soft white washers over top of the seat holes on the bowl. You could also thread them directly onto the seat bolts if you prefer. Then insert the seat bolts into the holes in the bowl, pushing all the way down until the hinges rest on top of the bowl. This is a bottom-fixing seat, which means that you attach and tighten the seat with hardware onto the seat bolt below the lip of the toilet bowl. Included with your seat are 2 metal washers, 2 metal locking washers, and 2 hex nuts. Slide the metal washer, then the locking washer, onto the toilet seat bolt and fasten in place with the hex nut. Use a socket or crescent wrench to tighten the hex nut. That's all there is to it. Remember, this seat has self-sustaining hinges, so the seat will stay in place wherever you place it. It's not a soft close seat and will not automatically close on its own. For more information on this seat or any of our products, please call our customer support team at 1-800-460-7019, or you can email us for assistance at help@sustainablesolutions.com.